Are you planning to sell your home by yourself and want to host an open house like a pro? You've come to the right place. An open house is a fantastic tool in your home selling arsenal. It's a chance to showcase your home, stirring interest among potential buyers and creating a buzz that could lead to a bidding war. It's about more than just opening your doors. It's about strategic presentation and marketing. Stay tuned as we break down the process of hosting an open house into simple, easy-to-follow steps. Preparation is key when hosting an open house, but where do you start? Well, first things first, cleaning and decluttering your home are essential. You want to present an image of a well-maintained home, so make sure to address any minor repairs that need attention. A leaky faucet or a squeaky door might seem trivial, but they can leave an unfavorable impression. Next, consider staging your home. This involves arranging furniture and decor in a way that highlights the home's strengths and downplays any potential weaknesses. Think of it as setting a stage for potential buyers to imagine their life in your home. Finally, setting the right date and time for your open house is crucial. Aim for weekends, preferably Sunday afternoons, when people are more likely to have free time. Remember, the goal is to make your home as appealing as possible to a wide range of potential buyers. With your home looking its best, you're ready to move on to the next step, marketing your open house. Now that your home is ready for viewing, how do you get the word out about your open house? Well, let's dive into the world of marketing strategies. A fantastic place to start is online listings. Websites dedicated to property sales are frequented by potential buyers, making them a vital resource. But don't stop there. Social media platforms are also a goldmine. They allow you to reach a large number of people, and with the right hashtags, you can target local audiences. Now let's not forget the traditional methods. Yard signs and flyers, if done correctly, can be quite compelling. They catch the eyes of passers-by and may even spark word-of-mouth promotion. Regardless of the method you choose, remember, good quality photos and a detailed description of the property are crucial. They provide potential buyers with a sneak peek of what to expect, intriguing them to attend your open house. Effective marketing will ensure that your open house is well attended. But remember, the goal is to sell your home, not just host a successful event. The day has come. How do you ensure that your open house runs smoothly? Engage with potential buyers, answer their questions confidently, and highlight the unique features of your home. Remember, it's not just a structure, it's a story, your story. And don't forget to collect contact information for follow-ups. This isn't just about today, it's about building relationships that could lead to a sale tomorrow or even further down the line. Hosting an open house can be a rewarding experience, especially when it leads to a successful home sale.